How to fix the Microsoft Store not working on Windows. Hey everybody and welcome back. If your Microsoft Store is not working, it is probably due to corrupted cache, disabled services, or recent update. So here's how you can fix it step by step. So first of all, ensure that you are properly connected to the internet and your time and language is also correct. Press Windows plus I for that and go to time and language. And there, go ahead and look out for language and reason and ensure that you're using the correct reason and language. And it's set correctly because Microsoft Store may fail if the reason is incorrect. Also, reset your Microsoft Store. You can press Windows plus R for that and just go and type in WSReset.exe and hit enter, and a blank command prompt window should appear, or the store should open up automatically. That should probably reset your Microsoft Store cache. Also, you can run Windows Store Troubleshooter. Press Windows plus I for that and go ahead and look out for Update and Security. Or Troubleshooter, go to System for that. Look out for Troubleshoot option. Click on it. Look out for other troubleshooters and look out for Windows Store applications here and go ahead and run the administrator for that and follow the instructions while doing so. And apart from that, you can check Windows Update and Services. You can type in Windows R, type in services.msc, hit enter, and make sure these services are running. One is Windows Update, type in W, look out for Windows Update here, go ahead and find Windows Update and go to Properties and ensure this one is set to automatic. Go ahead and set it to automatic. And also look out for Microsoft Store install service. Go ahead and type in M and look out for Microsoft Store install office service, this one right here, and ensure this one right here, go to properties, it's set to manual and click on apply once you set it up. And also check for Windows Update. You can press Windows plus I for that, go to Windows Update and find your Windows Update section here. And if there is any update, you can update your Windows to the latest version. And that's it. If the store opens but applications won't download, you can check your storage space and date and time settings. But usually these are how you should be able to do it. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.